Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be trying some shea butter from Kata to Your Beauty. This company sells all natural whipped shea butter and it smells so good, and it works so well for not only your hair but also for your skin. And you are able to purchase it in a few different scents. They have lavender, peppermint, vanilla, and unscented, and I have all four of those. I use the vanilla one for my skin. It just smells really good. It legit smells like icing. I love it so much. But for my hair, I mainly use the peppermint and the unscented one, because peppermint stimulates hair growth and unscented is just really universal and good to use when you're mixing any type of products. And that's another thing, this shea butter blends so well with other products. Like, it just melts right into your hair. It melts really good into different products, so it definitely does work to match up with other products, whether you're using like a styling foam, which I will be using today, or a different type of curling cream or gel. Anything, it works for all of those to mix with. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I left some of the conditioner in my hair, and then I went in with the peppermint shea butter to just do a first round moisture with my hair and put it in sections. And now I'm just oiling in between my parts. And this is what my hair looks like just after adding a little bit of that shea butter. And now I'm going in with the unscented one, and even that smells good, guys. So for today's video, I decided to do flat twist. So that one twist that I just took out, I'm splitting it into 3 sections, and then I'm just flat twisting down, adding the shea butter and making sure that section is fully detangled before I go and twist it. So yeah, this shea butter is the only main product that I am using on my hair for this style, because it just works so well. But later I will add some styling foam, just because my ends, guys, need to be trimmed so bad, which I will be doing after I twist up my hair. But yeah, my ends are so bad and they need to be trimmed, so I added some styling foam just to give my hair a little more slip while I'm twisting it, because this shea butter is so thick and it does a really great job of clumping your curls together. But that is not always a good thing when your ends need to be trimmed, because they get tangled really easy and snag. So I just added some of the styling foam just to kind of smoothen it out and help me while I twist my hair up. So each big section of hair that I have, again, I will be splitting it into 3 sections and making 3 flat twists per section. I'm not giving an actual tutorial on how to flat twist, but if anyone is interested in that, just let me know in the comments down below and I can do that for you guys. I really want you guys to see just how well this shea butter works. I normally use it only for braid outs, just because I love a nice big juicy fluffy braid out, but I wanted to also show you guys how it works on twist, and it just leaves my hair so moisturized and defined and fluffy. So I just finished the first back row, and now I'm just taking some hairpins to stretch my twist so they don't shrink up as much. And this is what the whole back looks like when it is completely finished. And now I'm moving on to the sides of my hair. Again, just taking down that big twist and just splitting it into 3 sections, adding the shea butter, and then just like a drop or 2 of that styling foam, because the front of my hair is what really gets tangled and needs to be trimmed the most. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed through the rest of these sections, doing the same process of flat twisting my hair all the way down, splitting each section into 3, and then I will come back when I'm about to trim my hair. Another thing I love about this shea butter is that it dries really quickly, especially when it's the main product that's in your hair. So my hair is maybe like 70% dry now, and I'm about to trim it. So if you guys can see like that little hook, I'm basically just trimming where my hair kind of thins out at the end of the twist and just snipping that off. I probably cut off maybe like 1.5 to 2 inches. I'm not really trying to go for evenness. I'm just looking for health. Any curls that look really thin at the end or frail, I'm just trimming it right off. I don't really care. I'm definitely health over length all day. And it took me like maybe 2-3 minutes to trim my whole head. So this is what it looks like after my fresh cut, and this is about how much hair I cut off. And now I'm going in with some wild growth oil just to oil in between my parts. Again, I'm just trying to increase hair growth and stuff. So after I do my styles, I always do add some oil to my roots and scalp. So now I'm just gonna let my hair finish drying, get cute, and come back for the takedown process of these twists. So since I have nowhere to go, I ended up leaving these twists in for like 4 days, I think, and they still look really nice and moisturized. The hairpins definitely helped keep my hair nice and stretched while they dried, so I didn't get a huge amount of shrinkage, which I'm really happy about. So I'm just unraveling my twists as normal, taking them out the opposite way that I put them in, and you guys can see my hair is nice and defined. It's not a huge amount of definition, again, because I didn't add any type of like gel or custard or anything. I really just wanted to showcase the natural finish that this shea butter gives, and I'm super pleased with my results. My hair is nice and fluffy, it's moisturized, it's bouncy. I love it so much. And as you guys will be able to see, the definition is not lacking whatsoever in this hairstyle. It still gives me a really nice definition, even though it's not like super defined, and in some parts it is a little frizzy, but I actually really like that. I wanted it to be full and fluffy and voluminous. That's exactly what I was going for, and that's exactly what I got using these products. So I'm just gonna finish taking these twists down, brush down my edges real quick, and then come back with my final thoughts about the shea butter. Alright, so hands down, I give these products a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love the shea butter. My hair came out so cute. I love it so much. It's nice and big and fluffy and juicy, just everything I wanted. So you guys should definitely check out Kata to Your Beauty and their products, and I will have all their information linked down below for you guys. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.